Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, in today's session, we are going to talk about the basement plan of the hospital. So you know that we have started a series where we are discussing the commercial building and precisely hospital plans. Okay, so I have discussed the ground floor in the previous video. Today we are going to deal with the basement floor, and after that we will talk about a few more things. But for now, let's jump to the plan directly. So if you remember, this was our ground floor. Okay, let me take you through the ground floor first. Okay, so this was our ground floor, and from here we could reach to the basement. This was one way. Another way was through these stairs. Okay, so now it's time to reach to the basement. So over here, if you will just go through the stairs and you will reach to this underground water reservoir area. Okay, which is 14 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 2 inches, which is a decent size for this water reservoir. Then you can see for the basement slope, here is the same provision, and we will simply just go down through there, okay, in the basement ramp, and here we can park everything, and there we have the parking area. So on total you can park four, and even one congested,ly 5 cars over here. However, it is suggested to park just 4 cars over here. Now you can see we have a septic tank area which is 10 feet 2 inches by 19 feet 8 inches, and then we have a pump room, a substation room, and a generator room. So normally the people who are dealing with the hospital plans, they may have the one question which is very much important for them, and that is what should be the lift size. So over here you can see the lift size is provided as 6 feet by 8 feet of the internal area of the lift. Lift, yeah. Then the generator room is well adjusted in 18 feet 1 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, and the substation is fitted in 10 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. So this is a square shaped room. Okay, and the offset, if you will talk about the offsets, then over here the offset from the front is 5 feet, from the side it is 4 feet over here, and in the back it is 7 feet 9 inches. From the back it is 2 feet 5 inches of the offset in this direction, and over here the plot is a little tilted, so the offset is little more by, and the it is increased by 3 inches over here. 2 feet 8 inches is the total offset on this corner. Then we have this like a perpendicular or wall over here, which is having an offset of 4 feet from the plot. Okay, so on total the total plot area is 60 feet 5 inches. Okay, so total plot area is not 3505 square feet, and the dimensions of the all the four sides of the plot are well mentioned over here. Okay, so guys, this was the basement area, and in the next session we will talk about the first floor area, and there we will learn a lot about the hospital plan. Okay, so guys, if you are liking this video, then hit the like button, and also if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to as much needy people as you can. And if you want to join our professional training, you will find the details in the description. Go ahead, check it out, and call me or WhatsApp me at 8433248864, and we will be talking with you. Okay, so guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to Civil Raja. Thank you.